Welcome back to another episode of Boss's channel. You know the vibes. Leo tuko na gari ingine moto sana. Amazing. Mmeionaona but haijai kuja at Boss's channel. So for today, get ready for this amazing episode, but before that, come roll your Q2. Hatari. Mzee mzima. Vipi?
Poa sana.
How are you?
Pleasure.
Very nice.
Salama sana.
Mr. GreyHound himself. Mambo ni aje?
Poa sana.
Uko fiti?
Yeah.
Very
Good.
nice.
Good.
I'm also good. Hey, leo umetuletea mnyama hapa kwa chaneli bana. Jamaa amerembeka, beauty at its finest. Pesa mnatoa wapi town?
Kazana bana.
God.
Kazana.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Ukianza wakuja karibu kameramani muone kuna mrembo hapa. Mrembo amerembeka. Amerembeka. Hapa badala ya kuweka number plates wamechagua kuweka ile. Acha sasa tusikie mwenyewe anatuambia aje na vile hii mashini inasema. Mzee mzima.
Yeah.
Hapa naona kuna mrembo.
Yes.
Nikiona vizuri. Huyu mrembo amerembeka bana. Hii ni carbon fiber ya ukweli ama ni uongo?
Hii ni original carbon fiber.
Original.
Yeah, original carbon fiber. Syrup. Carbon fiber hood.
Kameramani, syrup. Original carbon fiber hood. Hiyo si cheap venye unadhani Hii pia ni carbon fiber
This is also carbon fiber.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's also a carbon fiber over here and a custom grill.
The whole thing. So this is the hood and this is the grill.
Okay.
Both carbon fiber.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. Ningekuuliza bei lakini wacha tuachie hapo kwa sasa.
Bei kuna vile.
Pia naona uko na some aftermarket lights.
Yeah, so hizi zinaitwa
Spider lights.
Aftermarket spider lights. So these are an aftermarket light first of all. See the stock one yenye ilikuja na GH models.
Okay.
So ilikuja na something called C. It's a C lights, aftermarket headlights. So what I did, stock inakuja na projector yake.
Okay.
Lakini sasa the projector haikuwa so bright. So I had to change the projector. And also to add to it, I added another projector.
So you have two projectors hapo ndani.
Two projectors. This is one projector, this is a second projector. The second one ndio demon light. But when you do full, inawasha both as full lights. So it's an aftermarket spider headlight, but with modification.
Very nice.
Yes.
Very nice.
Yes.
Sasa swali main yenye watu wanataka kusikia.
Yes.
Hii ni gari gani? Which type of car is this? Wacha hata nisonge waione. Ndio sasa ukiwaelezea wakuwa naielewa. Waione hapo. Alafu sisi tutakuwa tunaeleza.
So these are GH. It was initially it was a GH2. Chassis from import it's a GH2 1.5i.
Okay.
Hiyo ni 1.5 liter Impreza. Like it's a normal Impreza 1.5 liter. Model 2011. This was a 2011 model. So the Impreza, the 1.5i, ilikuja na some mods. Ilikuja na some modifications, ilikuja na, what do you call it? Paddle shifters.
Okay.
And also ilikuwa na Fender is different. Na ilikuja na wing.
Naelewa. Pia ilikuwa
like
ile wing.
It was sporty. It was a sporty Impreza. It was 1.5 liter but bado ilikuwa na aspect za sportiness
ilikuwa na wing na ile ilikuwa na wing na nini hapo juu
a normal wing
na ile
kulikuwa na previous one to it and before ilikuwa inakaa tu dark tail or something haikuwa na wing but so this one came with a wing. Like ilikuwa ina some sportiness to the car but the performance was just for 1.5 liters so haikuwa there yeah side cuts front bumper ilikuwa inakaa sporty but the car wasn't performing as per.
Sasa hii inakaa sporty and then ina perform as sporty.
Sasa when you have the sportiness it's sporty for sure.
Watu wengi wanauliza what's under the hood. Mimi naweza waambia the best thing you can do hit that like, subscribe, share button and then tutaonyesha what's under the hood. Kuja mzee. Hapa nikiona the bumper.
Yes.
Is it stock?
The bumper is stock. So what I did, this is a stock bumper.
Okay.
It's a 1.5i bumper.
Okay.
So inakuja na some aspects over here. If you can see, it's not straight.
Oh, inakuja bila this other thing.
Yeah, these not including these.
Okay.
Hapa it used to be
straighter.
But tunaona kuna some edges.
Okay.
Adding to the sportiness of the 1.5i. So what I did, I added this.
What do you call this bana? Kuna watu kwa channel hapo wajui kitu inaitwa aje.
This is called a lip.
It's called a?
It's a lip.
A lip.
L-I-P, lip.
L-I-P.
Yes.
You know there are two types of lips, yeah?
Kongelele hii gari.
Subaru boys nakosa kuongelea lip. All right.
The lip for Impreza. This is an aftermarket lip.
Okay.
This, the black accent. It's connected to the bumper.
Okay.
It's not conjoined. It's connected.
Connected.
As you can see.
A bolt-on.
Yes. Yes. So that I did. It's an import. It's an aftermarket import. It adds on to the look and maybe performance, but sina details of performance.
Details of performance.
But the looks, I know. I understand. Yeah.
Why the name GreyHound?
GreyHound. So it's initially the car is a grey car.
Okay.
It's a grey. It's not black. Many people confuse it for black, but it's a grey car.
Okay.
It's I think it's a dark grey car.
Okay.
So that was my thought initial. Grey. GreyHound. A GreyHound is a type of dog.
Okay.
A very fast dog. It's used in Dubai and some other places for racing. They even bet on the dogs.
Oh, wale wase wenye wanachezea dogs wanaekelea bet. Tutaweke hapo kwa screen. Make sure mna subscribe. Hiyo ni masaa.
So it fit in perfectly. It was grey and it was fast.
And then you made it faster.
It was the idea for being a fast car.
Okay.
So I saw GreyHound and I was like, this is the best description of the car. Yeah, so that was the idea behind
the idea.
So GreyHound.
Na nini ilikuinspire kupata this moti? Before tuingie kwa the mods. Because najua tunaingia kwa the mods. Najua wase wengi hapo wanataka kujua nini ilikuinspire kupata this exact car instead of the other cars. Kuna Subaru zingine.
So back then, back in 2019, Subaru, the name Subaru was a thing. It's my first car. So I really correlated to it. I was like, I need the excitement. I was interested in the speed, and Subaru is a name. Everyone knows Subaru is a name. For a fast car, a Subaru is a really nice car. So that was the idea, but when I got it, I didn't have a lot of moolah. So I had to settle for the non-turbo one.
For the amount. So this car came non-turbo.
This one came non-turbo.
Bro, you have a story to tell us. Yeah. So, hapo kwa chaneli, they are saying that the car came non-turbo.
Yes.
And I can see there's a scoop over here. Kuna scoop hapa. Kamera, producer ona hapa. There's a scoop. Hii inamaanisha si nini, There's a scoop over there. And then there's also an air intake hapa kumaanisha there's some work done to it. Tuongee na GreyHound mwenyewe atueleze tujue ni aje. Sio? Haya. So air intake peke yake umesema ni 150
USD plus shipping and such. So about 18 to 20,000 for the intake alone. Intake kwa wale wajui. Wacha niwekee hapo. Haya. And then kuna hii. Hiyo. So this is the piping. Yeah, is the piping related to intake? So where you get double lining, so intake piping and such. So the piping can be fabricated locally and such. So kuna vile import, when you get the intake plus the piping can be about 50,000, but the piping alone locally you can get at a good price. So it depends on the vendor, the
na pia pesa ya mfuko.
Yeah.
Ile kama mfuko iko mzuri.
Yeah. The person sorting it for you na mkielewana. Yeah.
So hao wanauliza why all this? So wacha niwaeleze. Air intake inatoka kutoka kwa intake kwa the air cooled kuna ile ka intake inakuja all the way to the engine and then ina rotate inakuja kama exhaust gas to the turbo and then back. Umepata? That's why we need this motor auto yenye inatumia kitu inaitwa a mount. Sawa? Intercooler mount. So ikisha kuja hiyo exhaust gas ikiwa moto ina revolve inakuja hapa ikiingia kama baridi. That's why the spool sound ile wacha niwekee venye inalia pia. Very nice. Haya. Back to this car. Naona uko na red top kila mahali. Gari iko red kila mahali.
So these are preference. Napenda red.
Unapenda red.
The color red. Grey and red always looks nice.
Did you attend this Valentine's?
Mama sione.
Oh, Subaru boys have mamas. Okay. Very nice. Hiyo tutakata. Very nice.
Yeah. So I opted for the red color because it's a bit shouty and it adds character to the engine bay.
Okay.
All right. So it's just an addition. It's just showing that the color.
Yeah. It's just your preference.
It's just a preference.
The same way a person can take black maybe for example.
Yeah.
Hapa a lot has been done.
Yeah.
Na for them to hear it, tutawapatia some rollers at the end of the channel. Tuende kwa the interior.
All right.
I think we've had a lot on this. Not forgetting, this guy has a carbon fiber hood. Bro, this thing is as light as, like, sihitaji hata, this thing is light. This thing is light, my G. Also light. Haya, kuja tuingie kwa the interior. We see how it is. Utenda the other side and then cameraman atakuwa this side. Tuweze kujua what goes on over here. Oh, very nice. Kuja, this is where the sauce is. Nilikuwa nimeshangaa kijana wa Subaru ana tumbler but seems ni ya kunywa soda for copyright issues. Yeah. It's Coca-Cola. Yeah. We didn't drink anything. So in the first place, my G over here has
don't drink while driving.
Don't drink and drive.
Drink and drive.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So in the first place, I can see where you're seated.
Yeah.
We have some nice Recaro seats.
Yeah.
We have some nice Recaro seats.
Yeah, for sure. So these are aftermarket seats. We call them bucket seats.
Okay.
Recaro to be specific. So there's Recaro, there's Bride, there are many brands. There are stock seats
at the back.
Even no. These seats,
these are stock.
They are stock seats.
Okay.
For this car, specifically for the 1.5i, they came with bucket seats, but not to my preference. I do imports for car accessories, especially this car. So I was specialized on car parts for this specific car. So
before Mbali, I want to cut you off.
Sorry.
Say you tell us you're doing car imports. Alafu utaki kutupatia your handles. Why are you being mean? Why are you being mean? You're not a good person.
So I do imports, but client-based imports are not really public. So
what we want is tell us your handles over here. Unaitwaje? I want your handle on Instagram, TikTok, where they can find you. I don't care. I don't care.
So well, business wise, handle is GreyHound Shifter. That's for TikTok.
Okay.
That's the only one I use. So for enquiries, just DM. I can respond there for any of your enquiries. And ideally, everything related to car parts, specifically for this car, you can import get responses from there.
Na utawapiga ile, unajua kuna ile wanapigwa kipindi but hapa naona you're doing some good job.
Yeah.
I can see you have some this. You also imported this?
Yeah.
This
okay,
well?
You can get locally.
No, but you imported.
Yeah, I do import for this as well. Yeah.
But kabla tutaongelea, but no now. We'll go there because unajua Emmanuel.
Actually, number 5 is not number 5.
Number 5.
You get to know.
You've never gotten to number 5, bro. I'll post a video of us doing a drive. It was a nice drive, though.
Yeah, for sure.
Unapenda nini about this car? Before we go to the interior, kuna watu wanajiuliza what are these? Hizo tutakuja tuambie, but stay tuned. Yeah. So, what do you like about this car?
It's let me call it my life. Let me call it art. Let me call it everything. For me,
it's a piece of beauty.
Yeah. Hobby wise, this is me 100%. And I do enjoy having a good build.
Very nice.
A good look. You know, like when you do some art. So for me, this is the best art I've ever done in my life.
We'll post a car the way you took it before and after, so that they know what you mean.
Yeah.
Very nice. So tuende kwa, some people don't know what this are. So we have some things. Unaona that guy over there, he's still amazed. Look at the way he's looking at some beauty, bro. Some beauty. The way he's amazed. Hataki kuonyesha. Yeah. So we have some gauges over there.
Yeah.
So there's the first gauge.
Yeah.
So take us through the process.
Yeah. So these are gauges. There's a gauge housing, and these are the individual gauges.
Yeah.
So this is the gauge, and this is the housing for the gauges.
Yeah.
So based on your preference, what would you like to check on your engine?
Okay.
I have voltage gauge, I have water temp gauge, and oil pressure gauge. So there are a number of gauges. You can unlimited number of gauges depending on what specifically you want to monitor on your engine.
Okay.
Yeah, or basically on your car. But this is the housing. And it's a
carbon fiber.
Yeah.
Carbon fiber.
Yeah. So for me, voltage, water, and oil press, these are crucial for me. But I have a secondary gauge, which shows more. So these called an OBD gauge. Maybe let me switch the car on so that we can get a breakdown of the car. So there we are. So this is the main. Ideally, this is another import item that I do import. It shows a breakdown of specifics for the engine.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. So this one shows fuel, everything.
Yeah,
everything.
even the speed. Even 0 to 100 it can show.
Very nice.
Braking speed it can show from 100 to 0. It can show the it shows even the causes of check engine.
Very nice.
Yeah, so
is this stock the first place?
No. No. Also, this is an aftermarket CarPlay system. It's mainly for the GH. It's specified for GH models because it has a housing as well, and it provides you all you need, and it's a car audio play. Yeah, basically.
So on to the next one.
Yeah.
Ile nye watu wamekuwa kingoja for the longest.
Yeah.
And you know, can you guess which one the watu wamekuwa kingoja sana? Nini watu wamekuwa kingoja sana kwa gari?
Probably transmission, maybe I don't know, the engine type, chassis type.
We go there to the transmission.
Yeah.
In here you have this Emmanuel. Unaonanga watu wakiwasha gari wanafanya hivi. And then for the manual guys they do, you know. So about this.
Yeah. So this was an automatic. It was a 1.5 liter non-turbo, GH2. Actually, a GH2. So what I did a swap. We call it a swap. So what a swap is when you change the transmission and the engine of a car. So what I did, I changed the engine from a 1.5 liter non-turbo Subaru to a 2 liter turbo manual. So all-wheel drive, I would call it 4-wheel drive. I'm not sure the difference.
So who motivated you to be a real man? Use 3 pedals.
I really don't have someone who did like motivate me, but I felt the need for more power.
More power.
I think men is power. Men and power go hand in hand. So I wanted more power. Yeah.
Power.
I wanted more power. So that's why I felt the need. And for GH2 1.5 liter, you can only go 2 ways. One is for a 2 liter non-turbo. That's 2 liter. Or 2 liter or 2.5 turbo.
Like the car we were racing. That was a 2.5.
Like the car
turbo.
we were racing. That was a 2.5.
That was have to put it. This is the moment I'll give it to them.
CVT, but that has to be an automatic.
Yeah.
That's
Let's show them a video. So, back to the car. I can see you have some Recaro seats.
Yeah,
but at the back, you have some nice seats over there.
So,
you bought the car as new?
Yeah. So the car came with the interior was black, as you can see. Black.
It is black, yeah.
So what I did, I complemented the car with the Recaros, the black Recaros. But I felt the need for a rare different color for rare.
Yeah.
I think these the color for
So you put some red trims in the car.
Yeah. And rare
red
call
seats.
it reddish.
This should be maroon. Don't know. Should be maroon if I'm not wrong. Did it come this way so you had to stitch them?
No, the rear was black.
Okay.
So I had to do some stitching over at pale, what do you call it? Dome.
Oh, uko Dome, uko.
Yeah.
I think I know uko that area.
Yeah.
The name is not coming.
Stick out.
Stitch.
Yes.
Stitch. My guy over there.
Yeah.
Black Bondo bana. Salimia watu. Stitch Interiors. Sure bets. That is my guy. Mzuri sana. Jamaa mpoa sana. If you need any interior fitting, any interior sorting, the steering stitching, hizo zote kuja kwa stitch hapo. Apart from hizo, dash ilikuja hivi?
Yeah, dash ni stock.
Dash iko stock, eh?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, dash, steering wheel, the cluster, yeah.
Zote ziko stock. Everything is stock.
Yeah, stock.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Huko nyuma nimeona music. I think tuende tuonyeshe some music huko. Where the juice is. Hapa mbele kama kuna kitu hatujawaambia mtu pina hapo kwa comment section. Au sio? Haya, tuende kwa the boot. So hii pande ya ngoma. Nataka kwanza tuanze na mzee. Hapa naona kuna mahali ameandika kitu moja hapa bana. HQ ya marafiki. Mzee, HQ ya marafiki ni nini?
HQ ya marafiki ni a location in Nanyuki. There's this guy. Pale mwisho wa reli. Inaitangwa mwisho wa reli pale Nanyuki mwisho wa reli. Yes. There's a guy akona location fulani hapo ya people go and stop over there when you want to have a road drive and you get to Nanyuki. That's the location,
the chill spot.
Yeah. The iko serene, iko na everything, chakula and stopover. It's typically a stopover. Yeah.
Umesema story ya mshwarili nikakumbuka story nilikuwa nasomanga ati huko mshwarili Wakikuyu alifika wakaona ai hawezi kaa njaa na kuna do. Wakaibarili zenye wazungu walikuwa wamekaa mnazo, sasa haikupita.
Ndio mimi niko na story nyingine. Wazungu walifika wakachanganywa na wa Kikuyu. Mademo wa Kikuyu. Wakashindwa kazi. Kazi kaishia hapo. So really ikasimamia hapo.
Mwisho wa reli. Very nice, very nice. Aya, before tuende ngoma because ni exterior bado. Hapa naona kuna exhaust ingine amazing mbili. Hii inaitangwa dual.
So this dual exhaust HKS straight pipe from the front. Sauti nayo iko na.
Sauti iko.
Yeah.
Kalele.
And then it's straight, so performance wise is reliable, is recommended. Yeah. Stainless pipe, down pipe, stainless, all the
way to the back.
I think 2.5 in between, 3 inch.
Very nice. 2.5 toka mbele and then 3 inch zote.
Yeah, the tips. Yes.
Very nice.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Sasa wacha tuonyeshe the music. Producer unaweza kuja uonyeshe. This is amazing. HQ ya marafiki. So in the first place, I will teach you how to be rich, Look at this banner. Hii ni how many watts? This should be 1,000.
Yeah. This it should be 1,000.
1,000. Yeah, so this 2,000.
Yeah.
Bro, nasukuma ngoma.
Yeah, vitu ndogo pia kwa hood.
Hiyo ni mtu wako kazi. Some accessories. Hey, hatujaonyesha vitu. Kuja nikuonyeshe sasa. Hii hata naomba nikae hapa. Sasa hii hata mimi ndio nitawaeleza, So in the first place, we have some amazing Momo steering over here. Very nice. Hii unapanga kuweka kwa this car?
It's for the buggy, for the other project. We have another project.
Very nice. Hii ni an original Momo steering wheel,
Yeah.
And then there is another thing. Vitu zingine mingi ziko hapa, hata si lazima tuonyeshe. Do we need your validation bana? Hizi bambe bana, in case you not tumekubo unsubscribe. Unaona tumekubo na hujasubscribe. Sasa there's some more parts over here. You see? Some more parts over here. If you know this, sema comment za bag. Kwa comment section, tell me the type of bag this is. Tafadhali. Sawa. Mtuambie hii ni bagai gani that wewe unaijua. If you know, you know. So there's a project 2.0 loading. Yeah. Na itakuwa kwa this channel, only this channel. Watu wanauliza kwa hii gari yako nini huwezi kosa kubeba at any time? Like nini huwezi kosa kwa hii gari? Kuna ile kitu moja huwezi kosa.
Sasa tuseme tu tumbler.
Has to be a Subaru.
Unapologetically tumbler.
Subaru boys mnajua.
Lazima hydrate.
Hydrate. Kunywa maji by the way.
Yeah, for sure.
Ukiona una maji kwako, You know the place.
Yeah.
You know the place. Aya. The taillights. Mbele tumeona ni aftermarket.
Yes.
Subaru ikujangi na this thing.
Yes. So these are called Spider. Spider taillights. Not locally available, but import is available. Zinaitwa Spider because I don't know. It's the name of the company, probably, but a bit different from the stock ones.
Okay.
From the factory setting. Car taillights. This one specifically is sequential, where you see the light. If it's an indicator light, inatoka hapa ina.
Tutawekea hapo.
As it goes outwards, yeah, it's smoked. That's unaona how ionekani
inakanikani gari.
Yeah, alafu hapa.
Hapo by the way ulitukosea. Wewe ulitukosea sana. Wale watu wanajua huyu jamaa ametukosea sana huyo. Hapa nayo ametukosea. But there's something coming. Yeah. That's why agenda kupaint. Yeah. There's something coming.
The color is.
Yeah. So mkitaka kujua the progress, mjue mbona alitoa there was something big hapa. Make sure you go to GreyHound Shifter on TikTok.
Yeah.
Hapo utaona the progress. Na utaona venye tulimblash. Buda tulimkemea. Me, I did my best. Hata mimi nilimwambia bro.
Hizi ni gani?
Bro, the car had nyash. Bro, ilikuwa na nyash. Ilikuwa like nyash. Si ile Mkikuyu. Sorry to say.
Kuna msee alisema umekata haga.
Ilikuwa umekata haga kama cubes. Mimi nilikuwa najua mbele. Sasa mbele ilikuwa like iko sawa.
Yeah.
And then at the back ilikuwa like sawa. But sasa iko like that tribe, you know the tribe. Sitasema. Apologies. Hapa naona kuna side skirts tulisahau kuongelea before tuingie kwa the tires.
So the side skirts zilikuja na the stock 1.55. So sikufanya a lot of work on that.
Okay.
I didn't do anything actually on modification on that. Yeah, that was stock. Yeah, so for the rims,
hapa sasa this is the interesting part. Hii hata nataka ongee ukionyesha watu. Okay, for the rims. Aya, tuambie sasa for the rims.
So the car came the car ilikuja kitambo na some 16 inch rims. Those are stock rims I think for a GH2. But sikuona zikinikalia poa. Nimefanya a lot of changes ya rims. But these according to me, this is the best looking set. These rims nilipata kwa watu wanaitwa classic rims. Classic rims pale Buruburu.
Okay.
Ni zinaitwa deep dish. Deep dish XXR type rims. 18 inch. So 18 inch rims XXR type.
So hii inaitwa so kwa the rims hapa ndio penye inanikuanga the main parts. Hizi tire naona si cheap. Kwanza hizi tire, what's the name of the tires?
Zinaitwa XXR.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the rim now. The rim
that's
nini?
the rim.
Na hii rim ni size ngapi?
That's the rim type.
Rim type ni size ngapi?
XXR. So ni 18 inch rims. 9.5J.
Okay.
It's a kind of wide setup. What do I say?
Initially gari inakujanga na rim size
16 I think.
Inakuja na 16. Uko 18.
Yeah, niko 18.
Very nice.
Should be like, I think it's preference ideally because the idea is to minimize these gap. Bado haiko minimized kabisa because kuna wenye wanafanya lowering kabisa, inaitango zero wheel gap kabisa complete.
Yoko ni I think 2
fingers each. So that's my preference.
Okay.
But so far this is the best type of rim I've had. Inaitwa deep dish.
In deep dish.
Yeah. So 9.5 nyuma, 9.5 mbele. It's some sort of setup. The tire is called Zestinos.
You're running on Zestinos.
I'm running on Zestinos.
If they know, but that is not cheap.
Yeah.
comment hapo section, hata tutawaambia, hata usiwaambie how much, usiwaambie hata anything hapo, hiyo mtatuachia hapo comment section.
So plug anaitwa George Nicholas.
George
Nicholas is the plug. Yeah.
Ndio the best plug tires.
Yeah.
Plug wa tires best in Kenya.
Yeah.
Anakuletea kitu safi.
Yeah.
Anafanya kazi safi.
Yeah, for sure.
So tunaweza taka waambie vijana wenye wanataka kuona kitu kama hii. What's your advice?
Well, first of all, it's not an investment. Nasikianga watu wengi wakiniambia, "Hey bro, umeinvest sana na on this." This is not an investment. Let me call it maybe a hobby. Ama something you enjoy doing. But it's not cheap and it's not easy. But when you are passionate about something, so that's what you do. You experience it, you enjoy it. And for a build, watu niuliza, why couldn't you have bought an STI ama the Berex car at once? Nilitry kuweka gari kwa market ikiwa na turbo as it was na GH. The offer price was so not fair.
It wasn't good.
Yeah, so I felt
STI. You know, you're getting an STI.
It was an NA.
Getting an STI.
Cost of an STI is a lot, compared
but
to a GH.
Getting an STI,
so like
getting an STI as a man, that is cheap. Haya. No, you know, STI kupata kama mwanaume, it's a bit cheap, but
yeah, STI.
STI.
But so me, I felt like I needed to go step by step. So if you have the money, good for you. But if you feel like unataka kwenda step by step, I've done this over 5 years.
Stop a picture 5 years.
Yeah, 5 years ago, haikai hivi. A lot of things have changed, a lot of things have done, a lot of experiences you've had. But if you are a real car person, you'll enjoy every bit of it. You'll enjoy. The end of it will be a reward for you. Like it's an internal thing. It's not a money thing. It's not a value thing. You just see. It's not a logic thing.
Yeah. So before tumalize vlog, there's something we're forgetting.
Yeah.
Apart from the carbon fiber mirrors.
Yeah.
The most important part that we're forgetting, the coilovers. Bro, you're running on some coilovers.
Yeah, I'm running on coilovers. There are 10 coilovers.
10 coilovers.
Yeah, 10 coilovers. But thinking of going better quality. Because current ones ziko na issues zake. Najua from the drive, you know.
Okay.
Yeah,
so there will be a 2.0.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming to the channel.
Cheers, bro.
It was a good one.
Asante sana. You too.
Mse anakata maji mingi, unaweza muita aje? Magician.
What?